Hi friends, our today's recipe is a very popular snack which has its origin in the Kutch region of Gujarat but is equally popular in Mumbai. It takes a while to do the preparatory work, but once it is done, it is a breeze of a recipe. Let us see how to prepare dabeli or kachi dabeli or double roti. To follow us on YouTube, search for Madhura's Kitchen Diaries on YouTube. Press the subscribe button followed by the bell icon and select all option to get the latest notifications of all our recipes. Our first step is preparing the potatoes for the filling. For this, we'll take 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes and keep them for boiling. We have to cook them for 3 whistles followed by sim for around 15 minutes. After the cooking process is done, we'll allow them to cool down a little bit and peel off the skin. We'll now start mashing it. This becomes relatively easy once they are well cooked. See to it that there are no lumps formed in it as much as possible. Our mashed potatoes are now ready. Our next step is preparing the chutneys for the dabeli. Our first chutney is the red garlic chutney. For this we require 6 to 7 Kashmiri red chilies. We will remove the stem, de-seed them and soak them in water for around 30 minutes. After that, we'll add them to the mixer with a little water. Add 12 to 15 flakes of garlic, 1/4 to half teaspoon of grated jaggery and little chaat masala. We'll grind it till we get the consistency of a chutney. Our red garlic chutney is now ready. To empty it from the mixer bowl, preferably use a spoon since it is spicy. We'll now see how to prepare the sweet chutney or the khatta meetha chutney. For this, we have taken 1/4 cup of finely grated jaggery, 10 to 15 dates, and tamarind equivalent to the size of a lime. We'll first soak the dates and tamarind in water for half an hour. After that, we'll de-seed the dates, add them to the mixer along with the tamarind, grated jaggery, add a little water and grind it till we get the right consistency for the chutney. We'll now add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and mix it nicely. Our khatta meetha or sweet chutney is now ready. Next we will prepare the dabeli masala sweet chutney mixture. For this we have taken 4 to 5 teaspoons of dabeli masala. I have used a ready-made masala and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweet chutney to it. Mix it nicely till you get a homogeneous mixture. I have added a little water to give it the right consistency. Our dabeli masala chutney mixture is now ready. We will now prepare masala peanuts. For this, I have taken half to 3/4 bowl of ground nuts. We break them into 2 pieces. We will also require 1 tablespoon dabeli masala, half tablespoon of chaat masala and half lime. We will add the dabeli masala, chaat masala and squeeze juice of the lime. Mix it nicely. Lime juice has a binding effect and helps in coating the masala nicely on the peanuts. Our masala peanuts are ready now. Our next step is preparing the dabeli filling. For this, we will require the mashed potatoes which we have prepared in step 1, dabeli masala chutney mixture, masala peanuts, chopped onions around 2 to 3 medium onions, half bowl of freshly grated coconut, half bowl of pomegranate seeds, 1 small bowl of chopped coriander, and salt to taste. We'll begin the preparation of dabeli filling by taking 5 teaspoons of oil in a pan. After it heats up sufficiently, we'll add the dabeli masala chutney mixture to it and saute it nicely. Now we'll start adding the mashed potatoes to it and start mixing it. If you feel the mixture is too thick, we'll add a bit of water to it. We'll nicely mix it once again till we get a homogeneous mixture. We can now see that the uniform mixture is formed. We'll now add salt to it and mix it nicely once again. Our potato filling is now ready. We'll now transfer our filling onto a plate. We'll apply water to the undersurface of a cup and spread the filling evenly in the plate. We'll now add freshly grated coconut evenly on the filling, followed by chopped coriander. Then goes in the raw onion. Now we'll add some masala peanuts to it. And finally, the pomegranate seeds. We can see how attractive and nice our dabeli filling is looking. We'll move to the final step, which is preparing the dabeli. For this, we will need the dabeli filling which we have just prepared. 6 to 8 dabeli pav. Dabeli pav is slightly smaller in size and rounder as compared to ladi pav. Masala peanuts, 2 to 3 finely chopped onions, half bowl of pomegranate seeds, sweet chutney, red chutney or garlic chutney, 1 cup of fine shave or barik shave, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of Amul butter. We'll first take a dabeli pav and slice it on 2 sides with a sharp knife. 2 sides have to remain intact. We can see that a pocket is formed. 2 sides are intact and we have sliced open 2 sides. We'll now apply garlic chutney on one side, sweet chutney on the other side. Add our dabeli stuffing to it. Press it evenly so that the entire dabeli pav is evenly filled. We'll add some masala peanuts and onion to the filling now. We'll add some more dabeli filling on top of it and then press some pomegranate seeds on it. We are done with stuffing of one of our dabeli pavs. We'll take a look at it one more time with our second pav. We'll take 4 to 5 tablespoons of Amul butter in a pan We'll allow it to melt and then align the stuffed dabeli pav on it. We'll now apply butter on the top surface of the pav and allow it to melt nicely. We have to roast them on a low flame. After around 4 to 5 minutes, we'll flip the side once it's nicely roasted. After 1 more minute, we'll take the bread off the pan. We'll take the stuffed dabeli pav and roll it in the fine shape or the barik shape. We'll roll it nicely from all the sides so that it is well coated. We are done with the preparation of our dabeli. We hope you have enjoyed watching our recipe. Please keep following the channel and watching more such recipes from Madhura's Kitchen Diaries. Thank you.